Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to enable the split screen feature to view two sections of a file at once in Microsoft Word. First, open your long text layout document inside Microsoft Word. Look at the main navigation toolbar running across the top of your interface and click on the View tab. Move your eyes to the right side of the toolbar options menu, locate the window configuration block, and click the button explicitly labeled Split. Watch your single interface instantly divide into two identical layout panels, each operating with its own independent vertical scroll bar. To adjust the spacing dimensions, click and drag the horizontal dividing bar up or down to set your preferred screen balance. Alternatively, you can toggle this feature instantly by pressing the keyboard shortcut keys Ctrl plus Alt plus S simultaneously to open or close the divide in one split second. Once you finish editing your text cells, navigate back to the top View tab and click Remove Split to collapse your workspace back into a single clean view. And that's it! Your split pane editing layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.